Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix CookieRun Kingdom error. An error has occurred while processing this request. So if you are getting this error in CookieRun Kingdom app on your Android devices, then here what you can do to fix this problem. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the CookieRun Kingdom server status because the problem is currently from their side and not from your side. So open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for CookieRun Kingdom server status and search for it and open the down detector website, and here you can see many players have reported the problem that CookieRun is having the outage. So if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance or having any outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can launch the game and check. You can also check that whenever I click on touch to start, I get this error. An error has occurred while processing this request. So many players are having this issue. You can see many have them posted the issue. While in the meantime, you can follow some basic fixes that can help you to fix the problem. First of all, clear the cache of CookieRun Kingdom app. So tap and hold the CookieRun Kingdom app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, open Play Store, tap on search for CookieRun Kingdom game, and then tap on it. And if you find any update available, then download and install them, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then just restart your game. So close the CookieRun Kingdom game and then relaunch the game and then check. If that doesn't fix, then simply just restart your Android device, and after your device restart, then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. Now you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Free VPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the CookieRun Kingdom app and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix an error has occurred while processing this request on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.